Thank you so much for joining me make this delicious jollof rice with pepper chicken. I appreciate you watching while we talk about behind scene, what happened behind this amazing recipe, this PP fine perfect recipe that we shared with you. Clean with me today also, guys. Okay, not just the recipe, but also let me share an honest 98% of a day in my life, what it is, and the rest of the 2% I will keep it to myself. Okay, I made a video of breakfast this morning. That recipe will be coming next, and then I had to join my family on the dining. After having my breakfast, it is time to clean. If I am making my dishes or I'm cooking without making any video, I don't need to, I don't spend much time because I don't have to concentrate on one thing, making sure that video is being captured or the pot is well captured, everything is in place. I don't have to take care of that. I don't have the ring light, the tripods. Now I have, my kitchen is small and I have my dining in my kitchen. That makes everything a little bit more inconvenience for me because the space is being managed here. I have to manage every space here. Okay, it is not easy at all. I am being honest with you here. So after then, you still have to make sure the dishes. Sometimes I wash my dishes with hand. I don't know why. It just happens automatic. Even hobby don't like it, but it just happens automatic that I'll just start washing my dishes with hands. Now using the washing the dishwasher today. This is me breaking all my glass. Okay, don't get me wrong. With or without the glass, we still break, but it's okay. In German, we say "Scherben bringen Glück," okay, which is glasses, or when you break glass, that those the splits brings luck. I don't know how possible that is. Another thing that makes it very, very difficult for some of us is the fact that you will make video, and then the watch time, the duration of view is very low, and then there is no view. It's like, because we were talking about when I started this YouTube thing, it was an hobby of me. I love to do it. It was my passion, but this time around, of course, let's be honest with ourselves. This is nothing like passion, because whatever I do under stress trying to make it is no more passion. Okay, this one is hustling, and not having that view, it's so discouraging, and then the likes is very discouraging. But nevertheless, we move, we keep pushing. Let me say a very big thank you guys for still watching. I truly appreciate you. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Annie Krieger. You are highly welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Also, hit the notification bell just to be notified anytime I post a new video. Thank you so much for doing so. Now, for today's jollof rice and pepper turkey, what I would do is first of all go ahead and marinate my turkey. If you haven't seen my video on how to marinate your turkey or what I use to marinate, please check out my channel. You will see I have a jollof rice recipe. I have the fried rice recipe where I marinated my turkey very detailed. So please check that out, guys, and you will love it. Now, I felt like I'm just sharing this video just to, to see how it is, being a little bit more open. This might happen more in future, showing more of what I am doing, because today I feel more free making my video like this, because I'm not trying to keep away any part from the video, putting away, okay, I'm not, this place I won't show here. The editing wasn't too much, or is not too much like other video where I am just focusing. Of course, I'm not saying that I will not focus on my recipe in future. Of course, I will do. I can't say what is coming up, but this is just, I felt a little bit more, I'm feeling a little bit more relieved on this video. Okay. So for my pepper turkey, I have gone ahead. I have my bell pepper, I have scotch bonnet pepper, I have onion, garlic, and ginger. Okay, that I'll go ahead and rough blend. For my turkey, it is looking very good. I will just put that aside. So bring up small amount of oil to a pan, add in some onion. I love onion. You mustn't add onion again. So add in the rough blended uh, pepper mix, season with curry, thyme, vegetable powder, little bit of salt, and just your favorite spices. So I'll also put that aside to cook gently there while we make our jollof rice. For my jollof rice, I have my stew base at home. If you haven't seen that recipe, please, if you want, guys, I believe I have one of the best jollof rice. Okay. Yes. Okay. So go check my channel. You will see jollof rice. Like each time I make jollof rice, people ask, "Girl, what is the secret of your jollof rice?" I am telling you the fact. And if you are watching, you know what I mean. Okay, so check my recipe. I have my stew base. I always have some stock at home so that I will add to my stew base, and then wash your rice. Generally, thoroughly wash your rice with hot water just introduced, and let your rice cook. Let your jollof. Please watch my jollof rice recipe. And this is what I mean, guys. Did you see what that stew did? That tomato stew. Tomato stew is number one in splashing. It will splash like I don't know what happened. I just stepped out. I forgot to turn back the heat a little bit, and before I came back, it's boom. Now I've cleaned everywhere. Jollof rice is cooking gently. The turkey is in the oven, okay, looking yummy. I just grabbed some tea, just 2 minutes away to have my tea. And coming back, this is what my turkey looks like, guys. This is one of the best turkey. I don't know why I didn't know about this recipe, how to make my turkey or grill my turkey before now. Like since then, I don't fry my turkey. I don't. And for the jollof rice, it is also looking super good at this point. Okay, so I would just go ahead and hook my turkey in the pepper sauce. So to my sauce, I also have some beef tongue inside here, okay, which I boiled along or cooked along. For the beef tongue, I did not fry it or I did not grill it. So you know what happens when you have meals like this? You always want, testing and testing. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I want to say a big thank you to you all. You guys are the best. Please, if this is your first time around here or on my channel, you are highly welcome. And I promise there's amazing videos, recipes coming in future. Please just stay connected. Our rice is ready. The turkey, pepper turkey is ready. We are ready to enjoy our lunch. Very simple. This is one reason you have to prep things ahead of you because it makes life easy. Thank you so much for still watching, guys. Look at our pepper turkey and jollof rice is looking super delicious. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like, share with your loved ones. Leave your honest opinion in the comment section. Share your own experience with me. Let the communication roll. And yes, this is it for today. Everywhere looks perfect, clean. Again, it is time to enjoy my weekend. See you all in my next one. Bye for now.